Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to give you a simple step by step guide on how to get a copy of your birth certificate. A birth certificate is an essential document because it proves your identity, age, and citizenship, and getting a copy is easier than you might think. The first step in getting your birth certificate is locating the Vital Records Office in your state. You can do this by Googling Vital Records Office followed by the name of your state. After you find the Vital Records Office, look for the form required to request a copy of your birth certificate. Most offices allow you to download this form, or this form can be picked up in person. Once you get the form, carefully fill it with information including your full name, date and place of birth, parent's name, and your relationship to the person named on your birth certificate. Additionally, you need to provide a copy of your government issued photo ID, like a driver's license or a passport, which helps prove your identity. Remember that you might need to pay a fee when obtaining your birth certificate. Amounts can vary based on the state and whether you need a certified or non certified copy. After you pay the fee, submit the request form by mail, in person, or online, depending on the options that are provided by the office. And that's it. Once your form is processed, you will receive your birth certificate either through mail or online, depending on the method you selected. Make sure to keep your birth certificate in a safe place because it is an essential legal document that you will need throughout your life. Hope this video taught you a step by step process on how to get your birth certificate. Thank you for watching.